Room service, good morning. This is Justin speaking. May I help you? Sir, the menu is on the side table of your bed, beside the telephone for your selection. Sir, our most sellable are crispy pata, crispy fried chicken, chicken Chinese style, grilled blue marlin, sinigang sugpo, and our delicious kare-kare served with spicy bagoong, all served with rice. Which would you like to order, sir? What about your drink, sir? Shall I bring our healthy fresh orange and carrot juice or own concoction of iced lemon tea? Sir, we have special leche plan and creamy fruit salad today for dessert. Would you like to try them? Will that all be all, sir? Sir, you ordered one crispy pata, one kare-kare, and two order of orange carrot. Did I get your order correct, sir? Sir, do you have companion in having your meal so that I can bring extra plate if necessary? Okay, sir. Ma'am, can I have your name and your number, please? Thank you, Mrs. Vergara. Your food will be delivered in approximately 15 minutes. Thank you for calling room service. Kindly wait for your food. Room service. Yes. Good morning, sir. Here is your room service order. May I come in? Come in. Sir, would you like me to place your food? Leave it on the table, please. Okay, sir. Sir, shall I serve the food?
No, we will eat later.
Would you like me to open the curtain to brighten the room?
No thanks.
May I present the bill?
Okay.
Here.
Here.
Is there anything else I can do for you?
I'm okay.
Sir, when you would like to come back to clear the served dishes?
About 30 minutes to 1 hour.
When you're done, sir, please call us and dial 116.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Enjoy